How to connect Polk Soundbar to TV Bluetooth. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to easily connect your Polk Soundbar to your TV using Bluetooth. It's a simple process, and by the end of this video, your soundbar will be wirelessly linked to your TV for better audio without any cables. Let's get started. Step 1. Turn on your Polk Soundbar. First, make sure your Polk Soundbar is powered on. Use the remote or the power button on the soundbar itself. You should see a small light indicating it's active. Step 2. Activate Bluetooth pairing mode. Now, press the Bluetooth or pairing button on the remote. On most Polk soundbars, a blinking blue LED will appear, showing it's in pairing mode. If your soundbar doesn't have a dedicated button, press the search button until Bluetooth is selected. Step 3. Open TV Bluetooth settings. On your TV, grab the remote and go to Settings, Sound, Sound Output, Bluetooth Speaker List. Your TV will start scanning for Bluetooth devices. Wait until you see something like Polk Audio or your soundbar's model name. Step 4. Connect to the soundbar. Select your Polk soundbar from the list. The TV will attempt to pair. Once connected, you might hear a tone from the soundbar or see a confirmation on your screen. Step 5. Test the connection. Play something on your TV to test. Make sure the sound is coming from the soundbar, not the TV speakers. If needed, set the soundbar as the default audio output. And that's it. This was the step-by-step guide on how to connect your Polk soundbar to your TV via Bluetooth. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.